We're making the bed. Here we go. Show me how we make the bed. Let's do it. You gotta say. Making the bed. Making the bed. Now you gotta pull it all straight, right?
Pull.
Yeah, pull it all straight. And
Ow.
what are you doing?
Ow.
No, that's not making the bed. That's messing up the bed.
Uh-huh.
You gotta make, We gotta make the bed. It's your new favorite thing to say. What do you say? You say, huh? You say, what, Mommy? No, we do not touch that. What are you trying to touch? The chandelier. You don't want to touch the chandelier. You'll be in big trouble. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Look who wants to. Don't.
Oh no.
What? Okay, get in the bed. We're making it. There he goes. Uh-oh, where did he go? Where's Julian? Where's Julian? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is! Okay, see you later, alligator. Say see you later, alligator.